Hey everyone! Welcome back to WordPress Plugin Pro. If your WordPress site ever broke after installing a plugin or theme update, you're not alone. Today, we're resolving one of the most frustrating problems every WordPress user faces: plugin conflicts and theme issues. By the end of this video, you'll know why it happens, how to fix it step by step, and how to prevent it from happening again. So stick around, because this video can literally save your website. Imagine this. You install a new plugin or update your theme, and suddenly your site goes blank. The white screen of death. Or maybe the layout is broken. Your buttons disappear. Or WooCommerce checkout stops working. Sounds familiar? Don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to diagnose and fix this. Even if you're not a developer, plugin and theme conflicts usually happen because different developers create plugins and themes in different ways. Sometimes two plugins use the same code functions, and that creates a clash. Outdated themes or plugins can't keep up with the latest WordPress updates. Poorly coded plugins can override important files. And sometimes hosting issues or outdated PHP versions trigger the crash. So the bottom line is, conflicts happen when different parts of your website try to speak different languages at the same time. Here's how to fix it. First, you can enable debugging in your WP PHP file to see the exact error, but this step is optional. Second, deactivate all plugins. In your dashboard, go to Plugins, Bulk Select, and deactivate. If you can't access the dashboard, use FTP or cPanel and rename the plugins folder. Third, reactivate plugins one by one. After each activation, check your sites. The moment the problem reappears, you found the conflicting plugin. Fourth, switch to a default theme like 2024. If the problem goes away, your theme is the culprit. Finally, update everything: WordPress itself, all plugins, and your theme. Many times, just updating fixes the issue instantly. To prevent future conflicts, always use trusted plugins. Check ratings, reviews, last update, date, and compatibility before installing. Keep everything updated: WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Use a staging site so you can test updates before applying them to your live site. Limit the number of plugins you install. The more plugins, the higher the chances of conflicts. And invest in good hosting, because managed WordPress hosting reduces many hidden errors. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix plugin conflicts and theme issues in WordPress without stressing out. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to WordPress Plugin Pro for more WordPress tips. And don't forget to share this video with anyone struggling with a broken site. Comment below and let me know. Have you ever faced a plugin or theme conflict? Which plugin caused the biggest headache for you? I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.